German food gives luxury by the bucketful thanks to its juicy meats, scorching hot soups, and delectable pastries and desserts. It is a meal of soul-satisfying richness and heartiness. When visiting Berlin, Munich, and many other towns and cities around the country, you should put food markets, festivals, and fine dining on your to-do list because it is one of Western Europe's most fascinating gastronomic adventures. In this video, we will take a look at the top 10 foods you must try on your visit to Germany. So let's dive in and find out what makes German cuisine so special. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Schweinebraten. The king of traditional Bavarian foods is Schweinebraten. If you were to ask locals what to eat while traveling to southern Germany, they probably would suggest this classic, which is a beloved mainstay on any beer garden menu. In this recipe, a pork shoulder is roasted for around 2.5 hours at 175 degrees Celsius, while being seasoned with garlic, paprika, salt, pepper, and cumin. Various diced parsnips, beets, carrots, and onions are used to cook it. If making it from scratch, be sure to get pork with the skin on and score it in diagonal lines in both directions for authentic, delectable Bavarian crackling. This traditional German dish, which comes with typical German dumplings, roasted red cabbage, and a generous drizzle of beer sauce, is one that you must try. Number 9. Flammkuchen. Flammkuchen is one of Saarland's best exports. Even while some claim that Flammkuchen, also known as tarte flambe, originated in Alsace, France, this doughy pleasure is simply too excellent to leave off our list of German favorites. At first, Flammkuchen wasn't even a recognized food. Rather, it was a result of bakers checking the bread oven's temperature. With time, people began to appreciate the attractiveness of flatbreads with fillings that are merely stacked on top rather than baked within. A straightforward dough comprised of flour, water, oil, and salt is formed out into an oval shape before baking to create Flammkuchen. While Flammkuchen can be topped any way you choose. Traditionally, it is covered with sour cream, grated cheese, shredded onions, and sliced sausage. Number 8. Maltischen. The southern region of Swabia is where the well-known mouth pockets of Germany were first produced. Maltisch, a sort of German version of ravioli, are pockets of pasta dough encased in seasoned minced and smoked beef, onions, spinach, and eggs. Not only are Maltischen tasty, but they are also quite easy to make. The ingredients for the dough include flour, salt, water, vinegar, and oil. After it has been kneaded, the dough is allowed to rest for around 20 minutes. Before the open dough pockets are shut, the filling is placed over them. It is a rich mixture of soaked bread rolls with chopped onions, spinach, eggs, parsley, and various meats. Maltischen are traditionally served in a beef broth with some freshly cut chives. But they are also excellent when fried till golden and served with onion rings and a crisp salad. Number 7. Königsberger Klops. The Königsberger Klops, traditionally almost solely served on Sundays in the former city of Königsberg, is the German equivalent of a British Sunday roast. The dish's major ingredient, veal meatballs, are rich and filling. They are combined with breadcrumbs, egg, onions, white pepper, and, traditionally, anchovies. Once the meatballs are made, they are gently cooked in salted water to create a broth. The broth is then mixed with cream, egg yolk, roux, lemon juice, and a generous amount of capers to create a glossy, white cream sauce. The dish's flavor depends heavily on the flavor of the capers, which add a salinity that harmonizes wonderfully with the veal. Traditional accompaniments to Königsberger Klops include boiled potatoes and beetroot salad, both of which are doused in the creamy sauce. Number 6. Rinderrouladen. Roulades are a common dish in the cuisines of several other European nations as well as in Germany. Large, thinly sliced beef pieces are rolled with cornichons, onions, mustard, and bacon in this straightforward dish, which is also seasoned with salt and pepper. The rolls are then fastened with a chopstick or piece of string to keep them together. The tender meat rolls are then braised for about 90 minutes on each side, followed by another 90 minutes of baking in the oven. Last but not least, the sauce that is used to dish Rinderrouladen is what gives it its opulent and creamy flavor. The rouladen sauce, which unites the entire dish, is a mixture of beef stock, tomato puree, onion, celery, carrot, and shallots. For a genuine German dining experience, you just cannot go wrong with this cherished staple. Found in eateries all over the nation and frequently paired with Knödel or Spätzle. Number 5. Currywurst. This favorite is something that so many regions of Germany wish to claim. Whether you live in Hamburg, Berlin, or the Ruhr region, this sausage is still a famous form of street cuisine. Imagine a German bratwurst that has been chopped into bite-sized slices, covered in a curry ketchup sauce, and served with fries on the side. It doesn't get much better than this for street food. Each trip to Germany should include a stop at a food market, where you can find currywurst and a broad variety of other delicious street delicacies. If you want to make a homemade version of this popular dish, combine tomato puree, shallots, tomato sauce, brown sugar, orange juice, chili pepper, cinnamon, paprika powder, and curry powder to make a curry ketchup sauce that you can smother the sausage in. Number 4. Pfannkuchensuppe. One of the more unusual foods on this list is certainly pancake soup, but you can be sure that it is there for a good cause. Pfannkuchensuppe are savory pancakes that are served in a transparent broth with copious amounts of chives and parsley, making Swabians salivate. Depending on personal inclination, you can make this dish with either a beef or a veggie broth. The German word, Fladel, refers to the savory pancakes that are formed from a basic batter of flour, milk, eggs, salt, and butter and fried in a pan. Once the pancakes have rolled, they are cut into small slices and added to the broth along with other softened vegetables, such as carrots and celery. This is a wonderfully unique German cuisine that you must try because it is filling and varied. Number 3. Knödel. German dumplings, anybody? There are two choices, potato or bread. Both are tasty and go well with many foods. There are even sweet versions for sweets, such the plum dumpling. But the Kartoffelknödel and the Semmelknödel are unquestionably the best. They can be found on the menu of any classic South German restaurant, frequently served with meat and sauce or in a clear meat broth. Semmelknödel, or bread dumplings, are simply made with milk, eggs, and stale white bread. The dumplings can be seasoned with butter, onion, parsley, and other ingredients, after being heated and softened before being formed into fist-sized balls and boiled. Number 2. Kartoffelsalat. The potato salad is arguably Germany's most popular side dish. Because it is so delicious and filling, this family staple will appear on every Christmas meal, family reunion, and barbecue. Naturally, regional variations in Kartoffelsalat, or German potato salad, do exist. But in the traditional northern dish, boiling potatoes marinated in beef stock are combined with thinly sliced red onions, cornichons, chives, sliced boiled eggs, and salad cream. In all of northern Germany, Kartoffelsalat is the go-to recipe for straightforward, mouth-watering home cuisine. Perfect for eating on the go, you can quickly enjoy a wonderful and substantial salad that will make many young Germans nostalgic for their grandmother's cuisine. Number 1. Brezeln. Without biting into the delightful, crispy surface of a brezeln, or pretzel as it is known internationally, a visit to a German bakery would be incomplete. Brezeln, which are distinguished by their lovely symmetrical appearance, are frequently displayed in the shop windows of bakeries that line the streets of German towns and cities. These German-baked pastries come in both sweet and savory varieties, with toppings ranging from cheese to chocolate and powdered sugar to nuts, and are best enjoyed with a simple sprinkle of salt. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Which food do you like the most? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.